began his way to Witless Bay. So here he is now, boss. Probably took him at least 5 years when Tommy broke off. And this is the end of the line. He's fallen to pieces. If you're looking around, you see a piece out here, you see a piece in on the island, all these bits are falling off. They're foundering, they're cracking off, and he's melting, he's breaking up. He's history. So this is all fresh water, right? It's all made from compressed snow, so when the salt water gets on it, it's about to get down so close to the which creates the problem. This fella can get stuck it into the side of your boat, and then all fun and jokes about life jackets are put aside, and you begin the business of drowning. So they're pitiful icebergs, but they're dandy can openers, if you know what I mean. Now you see the scrapes along the side of this, down close to the water. Do you see all the gouges? Striations. That part of the iceberg was at one stage on the bottom. See how the iceberg was moving. It created all these lines, gouges down along the side, rocks, and whatever else is down on the bottom of the sea. So this fella's rolled 100 times. We saw him roll twice yesterday. Best beds on the island.